100 and what? What the
70.
fuck? 117.
Just show the weights, let's count it and show them.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, this is 7.5 actually.
Yeah.
These are 2 15s.
Yeah.
These are 3 10s.
Yeah.
That gives you 67. These are 4 5s.
Yeah.
Gives you 87. Those are 2 10s.
Yeah.
That gives you 107. And this is a 10. Gives you 170.
Alright, cool. Fucking push him. Hard, motherfucker.
Mr. Michael Todd, this is your machine. I built it, I'm trying it. I'm weighing 90 kgs, 91. And I just did 107, I'm going for 117. On a relaxed night, not even pumped.
Oh, we're
I did 2
talking.
brandies. But if I press this thing,
Do it, Kenny.
it's a problem for the world, for a small guy.
Okay.
I think I can.
Hit it hard, bro. Yes. Yes. Buff.
I can do it 5 times like you do.
2.
I want to do an outside one also if I can. This is the difference.
This is the fucking changer. Okay. Buff.
Alpha Michael 117 record. You can look at the equipment, same thing. South Africa, we're on the fucking map. Alpha